Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this new laptop that I bought. It is the Core Innovations 14-inch notebook. It is 4 gig RAM and 64 gig SSD. The display is so clear when you turn on this laptop, and it's because it is a 1920 by 1080 display. So when you turn on the laptop, it's so bright. It's just like it's so bright. I'm sorry I don't have it turned on here. And when you're playing music or whatever you have that you need audio, the speaker is very loud, and it's actually a very good speaker for me because my current laptop, the speaker is very low, and I need to use an external speaker. On this laptop, you can hear everything, even in the other room. So I really like that. That's actually the the plus for me on this laptop. So I just wanted to share this with you in case you were buying it, and you know what good things you can find when you buy this laptop. The display, it's clear, and the speaker is very loud. That's my there's two things that I really like. So I just wanted to share that with you. Check out my other videos where I show you things that I bought.